Hi everybody, welcome back to our cooking show. Always here with my mother Franca, and today we are making something super delicious, perfect for the start of the summer season. Today, Ma, what are we making?
Caffè SemiFreddo.
And we'll show you just how to make it. Coming up next on Love What You Eat.
Can't wait to eat it. This is so good. With cold espresso, oh my God. You can choose to line your pan with a plastic wrap and make sure that they're long enough so you could cover it. And this will help to release it if you want to serve it in slices. However, you do have to cover the top with plastic wrap to avoid the crystallization of it. Now it's going to go into the freezer, minimum of 4 hours. Overnight is always best. See you soon.
So as you saw, my mom had mentioned that she had just filled in the tin and just layered the top because we would be scooping it as so. But a SemiFreddo, you can also slice them. So in one that she had already prepared, like in good old camera TV trick fashion, we already had one batch that was ready in the freezer to go. So she had lined fully this one, lengthwise and both ways basically, and then enough to also cover over top so that you can lift this out and then you can slice as a cake if you would like to also serve this. You can also put a nice layer of sponge cake and then a nice slab of this on top and make like a nice little ice cream cake. Super delicious, but as you can see, extremely easy and scoopable. See that? Like how perfection is that?
A SemiFreddo is like a blend between a gelato and a mousse type of thing. So it's a soft, creamy ice cream.
Yeah, but with the fat of the sugars, with the condensed milk, that's what makes it not go to a full solid, which is perfection. Out of the freezer that was there overnight, minimum 4 hours like my mom said, but this one was there overnight and it needed a half an hour just to kind of softenly loosen up. Not even, actually 15 minutes and we would be able to scoop it. And this ends up coming garnished with a nice little coffee bean into a beautiful, delicious texture of ice cream. The base is a basic cream and condensed milk, like an ice cream base, and then after she put some delicious espresso and coffee liqueur, and then for the texture a little bit more of those crunchy nuts. Use this to follow it to the T that you can see on our website at www.lovewhatyoeat.net, where you'll be able to, as mentioned, find the step-by-step directions, photo aid, and full recipe, ingredients, measurements, and all that to replicate to the T, or honestly let it inspire you to make your own. Anyways, we're gonna give it a try because this is,
we know it's delicious.
Yeah, let's give this a try. This is just how I love ice cream, when it starts to melt like this and it's like some creamy soupy mixture.
Favorita.
Oh, good.
So decadent. It's
the
delicious.
coffee,
if you love coffee,
spot on. The texture incredible, and that mixture of hazelnuts, those crushed hazelnuts,
gives it a little bit of a crunch. Really beautiful.
Out of this world. Please follow this recipe to the T. We really recommend you trying at least this flavor for the first time. We will put all the list of ingredients, measurements, directions always in the video description, and as mentioned as well on our website. We hope you guys give this one a try, and if you do, let us know in the comments down below, and let us know also if you've altered the flavors and what kind of combinations you've come up with. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for my mother for showing us this recipe.
My pleasure always.
And as always, have a happy Sunday and continue to
love what you eat.
Bye for now.
Bye. Enjoy your summer.
You're because my
Just
father. Just in time. Hi, you want ice cream? Are you okay?